Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to send multiple photos on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Open a chat. Tap Attach. Now choose Gallery to select existing photos from your phone. You can tap and hold to select multiple photos. Tap on OK. If you wish, you can add a caption to the photos. Tap Send. As you can see, all the photos have been sent to the recipient of your choice. This is how you can send multiple photos on WhatsApp on an Android device.